Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty baked tilapia fish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you will need a whole clean tilapia fish or any fish you prefer. You'll also need blended green chilies, ginger garlic paste. I will use about 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, I will use a half a teaspoon. Black pepper, I will use about a half a teaspoon. Oil or ghee, 1 tablespoon. And 1 lime. So the first step, I will slightly cut the fish on both sides as you can see in the video so that the spices can blend in well. Once you're done cutting the fish, you'll take a small bowl like this where you'll mix all the spices that I've mentioned in the beginning. You'll add about 1 tablespoon of blended green chilies, a half a teaspoon of salt or more. You will also add a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, ginger garlic paste about 2 tablespoons. You'll also squeeze 1 lime, and lastly add 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee and mix everything well and nice. Once you're done mixing the spices, then you'll cut the spices into the fish very nice and make sure you've applied each and every side of the fish, in and out of the fish. Don't forget any spots. As you can see in the video, my fish is beautiful coated with the spices. Then cover the fish with a foil and put in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour. And after 1 hour of marination, put on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then place the fish in a preheated oven and bake it for about 30 minutes. Bake the fish for 15 minutes each on both sides till well baked, or you can fry the fish in the oil, or the third option, you can barbecue the fish till nicely baked. And after 30 minutes, my fish is ready and nicely baked, and enjoy your fish with some rice, ugali, or anything you prefer, and enjoy your fish. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of fish, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.